Hi, welcome to Wanies Academy. Our topic for today is expanding single brackets. And the aim of this lesson is to help you understand how to expand algebraic expression involving single set of brackets using the distributive property. While the objective of today's lesson is that at the end of this lesson, you should be able to understand what it means to expand brackets, use a distributive law to expand single brackets, simplify the resulting expressions where necessary, avoid common errors in expanding brackets. Next is the contents. Expand brackets. To expand brackets means to remove brackets by multiplying each term, the term outside the bracket with each term inside the bracket. This is a distributive law, as you can see that A, open bracket, B plus C, B plus C. This is equal to the term outside here is A, while the terms inside here are B and C. The distributive property says that whatever is outside will multiply each term inside. That is, this becomes A multiplied by B plus A multiplied by C. While simplifying this, we have this as A times B as AB algebraically plus A times C makes it AC. Therefore, A into bracket B plus C is AB plus AC. Note, each term in the bracket is being multiplied with the outside term. The common mistakes to avoid are these. Number one, only multiplying one term and forgetting the order. That is, only multiplying A with B and forgetting to multiply with the C here. So that's one of the common errors we do have while expanding brackets, which you need to take note of. Incorrect signs when dealing with negatives. In this part, we shouldn't forget that when we have the same sign multiplying each other, it becomes a positive. When we have different signs multiplying each other, it becomes a negative. Then the third common error is not simplifying the expression fully. All these we should take note of whenever we're expanding single brackets. Next is our example 1. Example 1, expand the following expressions. Number 1, 3, open bracket, x plus 2 equals to, as we have discussed right up here, that 3 should multiply everything inside the bracket. That is x times 3 plus the other term, which is 2 times 3. X times 3 is as good as 3x plus 2 times 3 is 6. At this stage, we can no longer simplify further because 3x and 6 are not like terms. Therefore, the expansion of 3 into bracket x plus 2 is 3x plus 6. Next is the number 2. Negative 2 multiply into bracket y minus 4. This is equal to negative 2 is used to multiply both y and minus 4 inside the bracket. So we could have it as y times negative 2 here, because that's the first term. Then the second term, minus 4 multiplied with the same negative 2. From here, we simplify. Y multiplied by -2 gives us -2y. Then -4 times -2. Negative times negative brings back positive. As I've said before, when you multiply same signs, it becomes positive, but when it's different, it becomes negative. So minus times minus makes it positive. 4 times 2 makes it 8. Therefore, the expansion of -2 into brackets y minus 4 is -2y plus 8. Then the last one here, which is m into brackets -m plus 5. The same way as described above, -m multiplies m plus the other term, which is 5, multiplies the same m. Then we simplify what we have here. -m multiplied by m should give us -m squared plus 5 times m makes it 5m. Now we have -m squared plus 5m. These two are unlike terms, therefore we cannot simplify further than this. I hope with this we have come to the end of today's class. I hope you enjoyed this class. Feel free to subscribe, hit the like button, and share with your friends. See you in the next. Thank you.